It's time for science now, and we are starting something new. If you watched the Super Kids video this morning, you know that they made up some planets, and we are going to talk about planets too, and we are going to talk about the real planets, and that's called the solar system. And so today I will start by reading this book, Every Planet Has a Place, a book about our solar system, and it's written by Becky Baines. And this is a nonfiction book. Nonfiction means that it is true. And so this book is a true book. And we're going to start right here. Every planet has a place in space. A planet is a round object that circles a star. So there they all are. And we're going to start really way down here at the beginning. First one is Mercury, then Venus. Earth is third, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The planets race one by one in their rings around the sun. Everything in our solar system is in an orbit around the sun. The sun is way over here. And the sun is really a big, hot star. The sun's a star so hot and bright, it sends us lots of heat and light. The sun and everything in our solar system, even us, is made of the exploded leftovers of ancient stars. We are made out of old stardust. Do you think this person who wrote this book believes in the Bible? Probably not. We don't think we're made out of old stardust. It does sound interesting though, doesn't it? Nearest to the sun are 4 planet worlds made mostly out of rock. Number 1, Mercury. If you weigh 70 pounds on Earth, you would weigh 27 pounds on Mercury. Venus. Venus is covered with volcanoes. Do you remember making a volcano? Wasn't that fun? Number 3 is Earth, home sweet home. And 4 is Mars. Mars is red because it is made of iron and it's rusty. It even has a rusty pink sky. The third, our Earth, has just the right spot. Not too cold, not too hot, just right. The heat and light Earth gets from the sun make it just right for life. The asteroid belt is mostly rocks circling the sun. And how many dwarf planets does it have? Count. You'll find just 1. Ceres. There are more collisions in the asteroid belt than anywhere else in the solar system. That's crashing makes lots of space dust. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Out beyond the asteroids, 4 gas giants whirl. So that would be Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They have wild, wild weather. The gas giants are not just solid. They are clouds of gas. The clouds on Jupiter move faster than a hurricane winds on Earth. This is a hurricane that has lasted 300 years. Wow, that's a long time. Tons of moons altogether, and enormous rings that swirl. Some moons are bigger than some planets, but they are still moons because they orbit planets. All the gas giants have rings. Saturn's rings are made of bits of dust-covered ice. Some pieces are as small as dust. Some are bigger than houses. What comes next? The Kuiper Belt, full of comets and rocks and dwarf planets hiding like toys in cereal boxes. Some comets, like Halley's, come from here. So this is Pluto and Eris. Do you remember? Pluto used to be called a planet, but it's a dwarf planet. Just like its friend Eris. Now look at this picture and see us in the Milky Way galaxy. Right there. Our whole solar system sits here. It's in a cloud called local fluff. Our sun is just one of 400 billion stars in the galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy is one of billions of galaxies in outer space. It's nice to know in our corner of space that every planet has a place. Zigzag through these ideas for more thoughts about our solar system. If you could live on another planet, which one would you choose? What do you think it would feel like to float in space? Do you remember when we watched the video of the astronaut? That looked like fun, didn't it? Draw a spaceship that would keep you safe throughout the asteroid belt. What do you think Earth would look like if you were standing on Venus? If your bed is the sun, what's Earth? What makes you think space sounds like? Or what do you think space sounds like? Pretend you are the sun. Swing a yo-yo above your head in a circle. The yo-yo is like a planet. Be careful when you do that. That might be a good outside activity. Starlight, star bright, first star I see at night. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. What movie is that from? Is that Pinocchio? I almost think so. Look at the moon a few nights in a row. Watch how it changes. Is it growing or shrinking? What would happen if we had no sun? Do you think we would have any life on Earth? Probably not. But God arranged it so that we have it that way. So God did an amazing job, and he put the Earth in our solar system, and he made it all work out just the right way. So now, those are all the planets. Now I want you to take out the worksheet that looks like this. So you get to color the planets different colors. So you want to find your crayons, and you're going to use your crayons to color in the planets. And so you're going to start with your name up here. And so the first one says, color the sixth planet from the sun yellow. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll want to color that one yellow. You can keep going on this worksheet with your mom and dad. On this worksheet, they include Pluto yet as one of the planets, but really it's a dwarf planet. Okay? So you can also color the crayon down here the right color, and then you'll have these all colored in when you're done. Have fun.